Sir, I think even you and Forum ma'am think we were quite a motivated group relatively to your other groups. I
Yes.
think they felt, I think this was meant to be the fact that we all means there's just something to learn from each and every one. That is like a icing on the cake. That we were such a good group who kept on. I mean, it was not lax. We knew that there is somebody is always going to do better, so it was always motivating to be sincere about your work.
Yes. Yes, it was very nice group of course because जो एक दूसरे को आप लोग मोटिवेट करते रहते थे, एक दूसरे से सीखते रहते थे, वो सपोर्ट वाला जो फीलिंग रहता है ना, that is very nice and that is very very important too. So yes, it is a good part that everybody is.
But there is just there's just one small thing which I realized. This is a very funny feeling. Generally, at the end of the course, you feel, "Arey wah, Saraswati gayu." At the same time, you realize, "Arey, there's so much more to do still." So it's a very diabolic feeling I have right now. While I'm feeling like I plan to have the whole Saturday to myself where I don't do anything, which I did. But at the same time, I felt, "Theek che, this is over, but there's so much more to do."
Correct, correct. And so
Within
many
this.
times,
Yeah.
yeah,
Though
and so
I'm
many
not looking
times,
at this professionally, but
correct,
there is still so much to learn. That feeling
correct,
is very nice.
correct.
Satisfaction and dissatisfaction at the same time. Sir, Samatvam.
The idea is that once we come to know what all or how much big is the ocean, then we want to, then it means, then you have explored everything in a basic term. Then you are understanding that, okay, this is where I want to go a little more deeper into. So then you can try to dig more deeper into whatever aspect you want to dig. Let's say more of the practical aspect, more of the philosophical aspect, more of the therapeutic aspect, probably more of the psychological aspect. So whatever is more appealing to you, because everybody will have a different feeling and different feeling of hunger, you can say. तो वो जो आपको अच्छा लगा उसके ऊपर अभी आप और ज्यादा डिटेल में जा सकते हो आफ्टर दिस बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
I also have a similar feeling. I'm so sorry I'm not coming on the video. Uh, what Sheetal said, and of course, part of what Tejalan said, it's a kind of mixed feeling that the class is the you got so used to of getting ready for the class at 1:30 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You actually feel that there is some vacuum now. So of course, I actually wanted to share that I'll be starting my professional classes from next Monday onwards. I have already enrolled 10 students. A 21 days challenge. Thank you so much, sir. 21 days challenge I had kept when we were doing this kind of, when we were doing a project. So I don't know whether I shared or not. I don't remember. But see how the audience is, they want to lose weight. Let me be very honest. So mostly everybody has lost more than 2 kgs. I wanted to share. So they were very happy. In 21 days, they have lost 1.7, 1.8, 2.5. One has lost 3.5. So they were very happy. And I just gave a break of 1 week because I wanted to study and all. I said, I need to give a break of 1 week now because I need to study. So now they started and they want me to start taking their classes. And I'm starting from next Monday onwards. So I've got 10 students already and 3 students for evening class from US, other than my brother. So I'm very happy. What Sheetal just said, this project, which was the last project, was very important, I guess, because initially you don't understand that, it feels that as if you have to do it forcefully. But when you actually get, engrossed in that kind of classes, you actually get to know where you are lacking. And then you're ready for to come in front of the world to take the classes. Ki, theek hai, okay, fine, now you can come publicly. So I feel this course has really helped. It's like molding, starting to mold karne ke liye. It was very important for us to go through this course, and it has really helped for sure. There is so much to do it now, as Tejal said. So much more to learn, so much more to explore. At least you have a base in front of you. Now you know where you have to go. The path is there. Now you know how to move ahead. initially path nahi hota, जैसे आप, it's like how you have done your schooling now, the whole world is in front of you. It's like a new chapter. At least in our age, this is a new chapter now. It's like again a new world for us. Now explore. So okay, it's like, you know, pushing somebody in the ocean and they'll say, okay, now swim. So you will learn automatically with a lot of things, but at least one thing, you know, that you know how to move your legs and move your hands. So that's what you have given us, the confidence. You and Forum Mem were really good. Yes, 4 months was really less. It has just gone by. I even don't know how it has passed by. We've made such good friends, you know, and the kind of motivation you get from each other was tremendous, and was really, really motivating, really positively motivating. It's not just for the heck of it. People were talking. They used to really take and looking at each other with, not with competition, but looking at each other with the kind of empathy that, wow, okay, somebody is not able to do it. You used to feel for that person. That's what that's what your class has given us. Yeah, I'm like, there are a lot of things. Maybe I can put it when we'll do a video for you. Yeah, sure. But thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Forum ma'am. You were very patient with us. Though we were good class. We never used to make any, and we never used to do any mischievous things. But it was really, really an honor to be a part of it. And I'm really thankful that you gave us that chance and gave us that platform. Thank you, everybody, for being so nice.
Yes, I still remember the initial days when we were about to begin the class, because it was getting delayed, and we were not sure, because वो time ऐसा था that everyone, they were all skipping a part. They were all wanting to start, but then again it got delayed, and we were also very much not so happy about the delayed. And then conversation with Latika was also on that, no, why you are not starting?
I was so
I
into,
was-
I wanted to do it. So this thing that I really wanted to do it, since I have to move. So I thought I have to do this course because I wanted to learn. And that thing of learning was so important. Otherwise, sir, क्या होता है ना, this age of ours, at this age, वो अगर वो momento चला जाता है, तो then you don't find that thing back कि अच्छा करना है. एक बार, if you're in the process, let's do it. Let's finish it off.
True, very true. Yes. And it was very nice that your group could come over and you could actually practice also, not only do it online, but also you could get a chance to do it offline as well, a couple of sessions at least. Because the earlier group was hard, I don't think they got any chance to even come once. They have just come here for the first time last week to just receive their certificate. That's all. They have seen us for the first time physically only on that day. So it was good. Probably in your group, you could get both the feeling of offline and online as well.
But offline practice has helped a lot, sir. But
yes, those two practices even I had come twice, because वो अलग ही लगा, मतलब हम लोग स्क्रीन में भी इतने से छोटे से विंडो में देख रहे हैं, और मतलब वो अलग ही है. लेकिन उस दिन जब फाइनली हम लोग आए और मिले, और फिर वी हैड लॉट ऑफ गेम्स एंड ऑल, वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. In person feeling is totally different. That is completely different. It's so another level than that props के साथ थोड़ा सा वो guidance सब मिला. It was nice. That was the first time I did with that वो ball वाला and that the rope के साथ and that the wristband. So it was nice. It was a different experience of the first of the props के साथ भी कर सकते हैं.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so anybody?
as all
Manisha,
said,
you
it
were
was as all said, it was really a roller coaster ride, and for me it was a double roller coaster because when we started the course, उसके पहले 8 days back, my father-in-law cancer has relapsed, and there was many emotional things also in my family, and this course was also going. But this course has helped me a lot to go in this 4 months. So this helped me a lot. मेरा खुद का भी इमोशनली एंड ओवरऑल दिस कोर्स वाज वेरी नाइस एंड इट हैज गिवन मी अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. जैसे किसने बोला कि वी वर पुश्ड इन द ओशन, तो दैट तो सेम फीलिंग वाज देयर कि जब हमने क्लासेस स्टार्ट किया तो आई वाज लाइक कि मैं कैसे ले पाऊंगी, आई वाज नॉट नोइंग कि वेदर आई विल टेक और नॉट, बट इट वाज वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. एंड जब हमने लास्ट वीक में ब्रेक दिया तो देयर वर मेनी फोन कॉल्स एंड मैसेजेस कि व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग द क्लास अगेन. And today, from today itself, I started the classes, and it was very nice. And thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for the confidence you have given. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And again, I've got a lot of friends. These friends will be, I think, it will be for forever. We will meet and we will keep the bonding.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Sir, I want to
I'm
one
sure.
more thing.
This,
I was just wondering,
yes.
means after seeing you and Forum ma'am as teachers, and if I were to see myself as a teacher, and I was wondering that if I give instructions to my students the way you were so calm, ऐसा करोगे तो अच्छा है, नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा. And I was wondering, if I give instructions to my students, will I ever get any work done? But you got everything done. Everything done from complete novice like us. And I don't know how. It's your aura, it's the way, I don't know how you manage, but I know I can get zero work done if I am so calm like you. So I've learned something beyond that. Besides yoga, I've learned something else from you, how to still be calm and get the work done.
Was I so calm? I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, Forum ma'am appears to be little strict. थोड़ा सा voice modulation में change होता है तो थोड़ा पता चलता है. But फिर भी अंदर से she is like शांति. But you have no, that both of you have a very good positive aura of getting things done. अच्छे से balance हो रहा था वो practical में, and it was nice. मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था. मतलब आई हैड स्पॉन्डिलोसिस, मैंने टीटी से भी वैसे ही पूरा खींचा है पूरा, ऑल दैट विद दैट, बट स्टिल आई अटेम्प्ट. आई वो कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस है आई नो, बट आई स्टिल अटेम्प्ट, सो एटलीस्ट द मसल्स भी स्ट्रेंथनिंग हो जाए. सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे आया कि नहीं, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन है बट उसको ऐसे लेके नहीं बैठना है, एटलीस्ट उसको धीरे 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 इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है. सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस, वो कपल ऑफ सेशंस मुझे लगे, वो ऑफलाइन के क्लासेस में मुझे वो बहुत हेल्पफुल हुआ. अदरवाइज आई वाज थिंकिंग अरे मैं कैसे करूंगी, मतलब बहुत करने की इच्छा है बट वो बैरियर है. तो फिर वो एक मेरा निकल गया बैरियर, क्योंकि मुझे भी ऐसे स्पॉन्डिलोसिस के पेशेंट्स मिलेंगे, उन लोग भी सेम रीजन देंगे नहीं करने का. बिकॉज थेरेपी में यही एक सीखा था स्टेटमेंट, मुझे याद आ रहा है कि ना, ब्रेन इज अ लेजी ऑर्गन. उसको कुछ काम करने को नहीं है, तो वो स्टिमुलेशन कैसे. तो जो स्टिमुलेशन रिलैक्सेशन एक साइक्लिक मेडिटेशन है, सूर्य नमस्कार से भी वो मिलता है. लेकिन उसमें भी हम अगर किसी को कोई भी कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन है तो उसको हम पॉजिटिव में, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव कैसे करना है, वही नेगेटिव को ही लेके हम कैसे आगे करना है, वो मुझे उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस मिला. आई स्टिल डू हलासन, दो आई मेंटेन वेरी लेस. विपरीत करनी मैं करती हूँ, मतलब तो वो मेरा बीच में जो छूट गया था वो मैंने फिर से लिया, एटलीस्ट विद माय हेवी बॉडी, एंड आई कुड डू, एंड आई एम स्टिल डूइंग. तो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, वो धीरे धीरे वो बन जाएगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्पॉन्डिलोसिस निकल जाएगा. तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी दे सकती हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग लेजी बन जाते हैं, लेजी, क्योंकि हमको कुछ ह्यूमन नेचर डू.
yes.
How we have started
Yes,
talking in yoga language only.
Yeah.
That's the biggest difference.
Breathe, eat, sleep, repeat. योगा ही चल रहा था, मतलब. और ऐसे हो गया मेरा, तो अभी वो पेटेंट हो गया, मतलब मैं सबको ऐसे ही बोलती हूँ, योगा से ही होगा, योगा से ही होगा.
This is, if you remember, this is what Forum ma'am has said initially, that it will be like sleeping, eating, breathing yoga in some time. So this is how it actually is affected. We have not done anything specifically to do this. Automatically the body has taken it. At least I can vouch for myself.
Yeah, and with the connection, I mean, हम लोग ऐसे जुड़ गए योगा से, मतलब all from a different field, मतलब कहीं भी नहीं. I mean, सर को मैंने तभी जस्ट जब मेरा वो YCB का एग्जाम था, सर को तभी फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैड मेट, तो वही मुझे सिर्फ उतना याद है, बट उसको भी 1 साल भर से ऊपर हो गया था. उसके बाद तो एग्जाम्स के बाद ऐसे कुछ पता नहीं था. सिंस अभी MSc के लिए एडमिशन लेना था, सो बाय चांस आई गॉट दिस, और वो क्लास स्टार्ट भी हो गया था 2 दिन के बाद, और तभी वहां से भी कुछ नहीं आता. मैंने नहीं, मुझे करना ही है, और हम लोगों ने फटाफट जो एडमिशन लिया, मैंने और अर्चना मैम ने, और फिर स्टार्ट हो गया. तो एक रिदम जो बैठा, इट वाज वेरी नाइस. 4 months सर लेस, सर 6 months करो और सीखने के लिए मिलेगा.
Very true. Actually, this ocean
क्योंकि
is so
क्या
deep that even if
part
once, so ठीक है, even after 6 years or even after now 20 years, still I feel that it is so amazing that you still want to go into every corner of this ocean and have something, some different experience altogether. So वो तो definitely अच्छा ही है, and you know the best thing is we should keep on learning. This attitude of learning is very important. एक बार ऐसे ऐसे अगर आपको लग गया कि भाई MBA आप हो गए हो ना, हम लोग उसको ऐसे बोलते गुजराती में मने बधु आवड़े, तो MBA हो गए तो फिर नहीं होएगा. You have to be open to learning so that you can
उसका मतलब क्या सर? MBA इन गुजराती वो क्या था लास्ट वर्ड का? मने
मने
what was
बधु
that?
आवड़े आवड़े मतलब मेरे को सब आता है.
મને બધું આવડે છે.
हाँ.
ओ
So if
तो फिर तो
you
खत्म हो
say,
गया, फिर ग्रोथ
I
बंद हो
know
गई.
everything in yoga. Now I am a yoga teacher already. ना तो फिर you know you should always be a student of yoga so that at least that learning experience is always continued.
वेरिएशंस तो बहुत सीखे वो वेरिएशंस, क्योंकि वाईबीएन में सिर्फ एक हम लोग एक स्पेसिफिक स्टाइल में सिखाते हैं, तो इतना कंडीशन हो गया तो मुझे वो पूरा वो भी ब्रेक करके फिर इसमें मोल्ड होने के लिए भी बहुत टाइम लगा. लेकिन अच्छा है ये मोल्ड होके भी दोनों को भी कंबाइन करके, तो वे प्लान दैट वो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. वो 1 मंथ में पूरा प्लान किया, मतलब वो भी रखा ये भी रखा, उसको मिक्स किया एंड वो पूरा फ्लेवर पूरा अच्छे से खिचड़ी भी बनाई, पुलाव बिरयानी सब कुछ मिक्स मैच करके अच्छे से बिठाना एंड टू गिव इट टू द ऑडियंस. इट वाज ग्रेट एंड दे लव्ड इट.
Yeah.
तो वो जो एक मिला
Sir,
एक जो द स्प्रेड ऑफ ऑडियंस.
Yes.
Sir, your course content is really praiseworthy. I cannot think of what more could be added. But somehow we've really, I mean, I think we've touched upon every aspect. Bhale, we might not be the experts of it, but we've touched on everything. Now it's up to the individual how to take it further. So the
Yeah.
course content is very thoughtfully done, very nice. Initially, I used to think, isn't this an overpromise? But it wasn't. And also, I was wondering, will I be able to digest what is offered? There's so much which is offered. Will I be able to take it? But I said, no, we'll try. But having said that, sir, because of my elbow, my 3 advanced asanas are remaining, which I will make sure I learn from you.
Yes. Yes. Which are the 3? Tell me. I should know.
Shirsasan, Hansasan, and
Mayurasan.
which is that Mayurasan.
Okay. Yes. तो हो जाएगा.
और सर शीर्षासन सिखाइए सर. शीर्षासन.
Shirshasana is also not so much difficult. It is just a trick that we have to, just that feeling एक बार आ जाता है ना कि कैसे बैलेंस हो रहा है तो फटाफट हो जाएगा. मतलब वो ठीक है. I can understand. Couple of days maybe you know sometimes we will keep some sessions over here. कभी आप लोग को कभी time हो तो you can definitely join in the actual class so that you know it becomes easier to again practice it.
So please
So-
call me for advanced yoga.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Whenever you're doing the course, na, there's a course na for advanced yoga.
Yeah. That is also there.
But some days, so just let me know, sir.
Yeah. Sure. वही मैं अभी आपको और एक वही
Sir,
एक
sir, you have a student called Sonal Chaudhary. Is she your student?
Sonal Shah?
Chaudhary?
Sonal
No,
Chaudhary.
Sonal Chaudhary, who does therapy yoga. Is she your student? She's written S. Vyasa
No. Maybe
from Mulund.
From Mulund? No. Like Sheetal and Archana ji are doing MSc. Probably it is open to many people to do MSc. So maybe some people are doing MSc. So वो शायद ऐसा हुआ रहेगा. There are now many students who are approaching SVSA for the other studies and also, of course, that you can also, you know, all get motivated to